Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. So it's been a while since I did a skincare video, and today I wanted to do a video about skin brightening, natural skin brightening, not like using those creams or whatever filled with toxic chemicals, but using natural ingredients. So I'm going to today I'm using only two ingredients. Before I moisturize my skin, I'm going to scrub. I'm using this is what I'm using. It's a mixture of sugar and papaya. It's just one teaspoon of papaya and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. The best thing about this scrub is that everything is like natural. I'm using edible things you can eat, which means it's very skin friendly. It's not going to harm my skin in any way. If I can put it inside my body, then I can also use it outside my body, like externally. So okay, I'm also going to use the same to scrub my lips. So my hair, as you can see, I'm in matutas. I washed my hair 4 days ago and I really didn't know what to do with it. So I just put it in matutas to avoid tangling and all that. And since I'm not leaving the house, I've just left it that way. Like, it helps me to avoid over manipulating the hair, which causes, of course, breakage. The African hair is I think, for me, I think it's like the most beautiful hair, but also the most fragile. So it's important to like avoid over manipulating, put uh, protective styles. This is for me the most protective, as long as I'm not leaving the house. But I also make sure that I moisturize my hair every 2 days. Honestly, I haven't been taking care of it as much, but I try. Recently, I've been trying to moisturize it every 2 to 3 days, even while still in matutas. I use a water-based leave-in conditioner, then apply oil. Okay, so I think that's enough scrubbing. I'm going to leave it on for like, say, 20 minutes. Let it dry. Then I will wash it off, then moisturize. Okay, I'm thinking maybe should I use a mask? What do you think? Like after this, should I use those facial masks? I think I have a couple somewhere. Yeah, since I haven't used a mask for like 3 weeks. Yeah, I think I'm going to use a mask after I wash these. I'm going to use a mask, then moisturize yeah, my face. So I'll see you in 20 minutes after it has dried and I have rinsed this off. Yeah. So I just rinsed off the mask stroke scrub. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but I think my skin is a bit looking better than the way it was. Yeah, this is the mask I'm going to be using. There, it's a snail mask. I ordered this on AliExpress. On AliExpress, one goes for like 20 bob. Yeah, I think one goes for 20 bob on AliExpress. But I'd advise, if you want to order them, uh order like a big batch. I'd say I had ordered 5 pieces because it was like I wanted to do a test run, and I think they are good. So the next time I'm ordering these, I'm going to like order more. It has a lot of serum, like a lot, and I think it's good. See, it's so much that it's just like dripping. Huh? There is a lot of serum left in here. I'm going to use it on my neck. And since after applying the mask and this serum, you're not going to like wash it off, make sure that you've taken a shower before starting this process, because you're not going to be like washing this off. So it's recommended that you put this on for 15 it says here 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm going to be waiting for like 15 to 20 minutes before I take this off. So it's been like 20 minutes, and this mask is starting to dry off, so I need to take it off. The serum in these masks helps to hydrate the skin, so I'm sure you can see the difference, like between when I started and right now. I think it looks brighter. This is how it looks before I moisturize it. So let's okay, I don't use a lot. Then I was using the snail repair cream for my face, but I'm out. So I'm going to be using this one. This is lanolin. Yeah, this is lanolin. I bought it so that I can be using it as a night cream, but honestly, I don't do. I just I don't know. I don't even know what to say, you guys. Like, I try to like have a consistent skincare routine, but I never seem to commit. I'm not using a lot. That's all I'm using. Okay, it ended up being a lot, but then I'm going to have to like massage until it's all absorbed into my skin. I just hope that by the time I'm done, my skin doesn't remain like white, because then I will have to wipe it off. Let me give it a little more time, massage it a little more. Okay, maybe, I don't know. Or maybe I should just leave it like that for it, let it absorb on its own without me massaging it. I think that is like the best option. While it finishes to absorb, I'm going to moisturize my lips. Yeah, I use a very cheap lip balm. This one, I got it at Best Lady for like, it was about 70 bob. Yeah, I got it for 70 bob. Yeah, so at the end of this whole process, this is how my skin looks like. I don't know if you can see a difference. If you think it's brighter than the way it was, leave a comment below. Let me know. And maybe try the same thing. Let me know the results you get. Let me know if it works for you to brighten your skin naturally. Not bleach skin, not lighten skin, but brighten. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.